Meaning of gerund.
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 Gerund. A gerund is a verb form that functions as a noun in a sentence and ends in ing. It is created by using the base form of a verb and adding ing to it, such as swimming or reading. Gerunds are used to indicate an action or activity rather than describing it as a verb. They can be used as subjects, objects, and complements in a sentence. They are also often used to describe an ongoing action or habit. Understanding gerunds is important for effective communication and writing, particularly in formal contexts where grammatical accuracy is essential.